say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and covers and
So this is how the room is looking after I took everything out of here. I wiped all the walls, all that good stuff. I just got done cleaning the carpet. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've never cleaned a carpet before in my life on my own. So I don't really know if I did it correctly, but it smells a lot better in here. It doesn't smell like a dog in here. I can see that there were like a couple stains over on this area. It's still not as clean as I would want it to be, but I feel like it did a pretty decent job. And like I said, the smell is gone, which is what I really wanted. So this is what we are working with at the moment. Everything is out of here. You guys can see floors are clean, windows wiped. You guys didn't see me do the fan, but I did the fan. And yeah, it just looks so much cleaner in here. So I'm gonna let the floors dry.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now.
Dude.
Dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never write my